Today we're making another quick and easy meal that is delicious. It's a creamy garlic chicken with some Parmesan, and it is so good. It comes together in under 20 minutes. I made mine with chicken breasts, but you can use chicken thighs, and it's perfection. It's perfect for the weeknights. It's perfect for hosting large dinners because it comes together so quickly and is delicious. Now, if you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it. I'm using 3 chicken breasts and halving them to get 6 cutlets. If you're cooking for 2 or less, you can use 2 cutlets halved, but you're gonna want leftovers, trust me. You can also use chicken thighs if you prefer, but you'll have to adjust the cooking times, and chicken thighs take a little longer to cook. I'm lightly salting my chicken because the Parmesan adds plenty of salt to the sauce, but you can also salt and pepper to taste. I added about a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh black pepper. Set your chicken aside and you're gonna grate your Parmesan cheese. I always prefer freshly grated Parmesan cheese because it makes for a better sauce, and you get to try it while you're grating it. You're gonna reserve about a cup of your cheese for the sauce, and I'm using a 1/4 cup for my breading. For our breading, we've got all-purpose flour, onion powder, garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, and Italian seasoning. You're gonna lightly coat your cutlets, making sure to fully coat both sides, and repeat this process until all of your cutlets are coated. Turn your heat to medium-high and add in your butter and olive oil, and you're gonna let that heat up for about 2 minutes until the butter is fully melted and the oil is hot, and you're gonna add in your chicken cutlets. If you're making 6 like me, you'll probably have to do this in 2 batches, or you can do this in 2 separate pans at the same time. That way you can save time. And you're gonna cook for about 4 minutes, and then you're gonna flip and cook for another 4 minutes. Once you've completed this for all your chicken, you're gonna set it aside, and then you're gonna dice half of a medium white or yellow onion, totally up to you. You're then gonna turn the heat to medium and add in your onion. Saute that for about 2 minutes or until it's translucent, and make sure to scrape up all of those delicious brown bits on the bottom of your pan because that's the best part. Gently crush your garlic cloves by using the back of your knife or a mallet and add in your garlic and saute it for another 1 to 2 minutes or until fragrant. Add in your chicken broth to deglaze your pan. I am using a low sodium chicken broth since the Parmesan cheese has salt, but if you don't have low sodium, that's okay as well. Just make sure to mind your other salt that you're adding to the dish. You're then gonna add in your heavy cream or half and half and your garlic powder and Italian seasoning and let that simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Last but not least, add in your freshly grated Parmesan cheese and taste for salt and adjust as needed based on your preference. Add your chicken back in and let that simmer on low for about 3 to 4 minutes. In case you didn't notice, somehow I'm missing a cutlet because someone ate it when I stepped away from the kitchen. It's literally like the Hunger Games in my house. Once your chicken is done, you're gonna top it with some parsley and it's ready to serve. I served mine on a bed of creamy garlic mashed potatoes and steamed green beans, and I topped it with extra sauce. All right, let's try this. Can't wait to dig into this. I just served mine over some of my garlic mashed potatoes, which I'll link right after my video so you guys can also make it, and let's try it. That is so good. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bon appetit.